This episode is brought to you by Simply Cool Things. Simply Cool Things is a manufacturer of high-end cooking products. They have provided us with this amazing culinary set. It works well in high heat and low, can guarantee to work amazingly for your friends and family. You're going to love this set. It is made of teak wood and is really, really good. Link in the description below. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm excited because we are going to show you how to make something that is sweet, delicious. It's made with this wonderful topping of cobbler. Well, what do we call it? A cobbler, that's right. But it's not an apple cobbler. It's not a peach cobbler, no. This one is a mango cobbler. Oh, yes. My good friend and my wife's good friend had this huge box of mangoes, and she had no idea what to do with them because she had too many already. So we took them off her hands, and today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful dessert that your family is going to love and enjoy. Thank you very much, Fan Yi, because we are going to show you how to make mango cobbler. And I'm going to show you how to do it right. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I can't tell you how wonderful this smells right now. The mango is a lot firmer than I expected it to be. You know, with mango being the consistency that it is, I really expected it to like ooze and be juicy, but it's really held firm. And this little biscuit mixture that I've made up, oh, looks wonderful. It's got that crunchy outside. Oh yeah. And I've got a little ice cream and whipped cream mixed up. So this is the perfect dessert. It's hot, it's cold. You can see the steam just coming off of it. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh wow. The sweetness of the mango just overtakes everything, but then that little bit of vanilla from the ice cream really layers on another layer of flavor. And the whipped cream, sweet crunchiness of the biscuit on the outside, the crumble is amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe, super easy. You gotta try it. Check it out. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. It lets you know every single time a new video comes out, and it helps you know that you're helping my channel. Also, if you wanted to do more than just be a subscriber, think about becoming a Patreon. We're gonna give shout outs to every Patreon that joins, and it really helps us out a lot to make sure that we can purchase more and more of these wonderful dishes for you to try at home. If you don't want to be a Patreon, but you do want to give a little contribution, think about buying me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.